Have you ever stumbled upon something so rare and fascinating that it leaves you in awe? That's precisely what happened when I managed to get my hands on the Neolamprologus Caudopunctatus, a truly remarkable and elusive cichlid from Lake Tanganyika. Now, if you're a cichlid enthusiast, you know that finding a fish like this isn't just a purchase. It's an event. What sets this fish apart is its stunning appearance, with shimmering scales that reflect light like tiny pearls and a distinctive pattern of dots running along its sides. It's like holding a piece of underwater art. Today, I'm going to take you through the entire unboxing process, and together we'll watch this beautiful little creature make its way into its new home, a carefully crafted tank that mirrors its natural habitat. Let me set the stage for you. The delivery truck finally arrives after days of eager anticipation. I rush out to meet the driver, who hands me a well-insulated package. Now, I've handled my fair share of delicate fish shipments, but this one feels special. I bring it inside and lay it down carefully. The package is protected with several layers of insulation to maintain a stable temperature during transit. Slowly, I peel back each layer one by one until I get to the inner bag. As I gently open it, there is a Neolamprologus Caudopunctatus snugly sitting in its protective water bag. At first glance, it's a little shy, resting in the corner, but as the light hits its scales, you can instantly see those mesmerizing patterns emerge. The dots along its body almost look like they were painted with a fine brush, each one placed meticulously. The Caudopunctatus has a soft, almost mystical aura that makes you feel like you're looking at a treasure from the deep. I take a moment to appreciate this sight, then move on to the next step, introducing it to its new environment. Releasing a new fish into a tank can be an emotional roller coaster. You've done your research, set up the perfect environment, and now it's time to see if the fish will accept its new surroundings. It's like watching a story unfold in real time. I carefully float the bag in the tank to equalize the water temperature, giving the Caudopunctatus a chance to get accustomed to its new home. As the bag floats, I can see it moving around inside, tentatively testing the boundaries of its little enclosure. There's a bit of anxiety in moments like this. Will the fish survive or hide away in fear? I slowly open the bag, letting some tank water mix in, and eventually guide the fish out into its new space. It hesitates for a second, then slowly swims out, exploring every inch of the tank. It darts from one rock to another, checking out crevices and getting familiar with its new environment. It's a surreal feeling to watch a fish transition from a small, cramped bag to a spacious tank where it has so much more room to explore and grow. After a while, the Neolamprologus Caudopunctatus starts to relax and show its true colors. Its scales reflect the delicate, pearlescent sheen as it moves gracefully through the water. It's as if the fish knew all along that this was its home, and now it's ready to claim it. Watching it adapt and find its place among the rocks and plants is incredibly rewarding. The real question now is how it will interact with other fish in the tank. Will it become the star of the show or find peaceful coexistence? These are the moments that make fish keeping so special. Observing how each fish settles into its new environment and interacts with its surroundings. If you're as captivated as I am by this rare cichlid and you want to follow in this journey, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. There is so much more to discover about this fish and its new companions, and you won't want to miss what happens next.